Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for medical colleges in Tamil Nadu under 15% All India quota for the year 2019. So basically, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for the counseling done by Medical Counseling Committee. So let's start with the number of seats offered by Tamil Nadu to All India quota in 2019. So under general category, 392 seats were surrendered. Persons with disabilities under general category, about 19 seats. OBC category, only 8 seats. That is OBC category, if you look at from Tamil Nadu, only 2 colleges were offering OBC quota, that is ESIC Chennai and ESIC Coimbatore. Only the 2 ESI medical colleges had OBC reservation. SC category, 76 seats. Persons with disability under SC category, 5. ST category, 37. Persons with disability under ST, there are 2 seats. So all in all, totally 539 seats were offered by Tamil Nadu to the central counseling, that is 15% All India quota counseling. So Tamil Nadu is one of the biggest state to contribute to All India quota seats. Now let's move on to the overall cutoff. That is for just for Tamil Nadu medical colleges under All India quota. What is the overall cutoff in 2019? So I'm going to tell you what is a category, what is the All India rank, and what is the NEET marks. So I recommend you to look at All India rank, because All India rank will be very close and will not have too much variations from 2019 to 2020. So probably even in 2020, it might even come down slightly. So, but NEET marks, I'm not sure, it might fluctuate every year. First, let me look at general category or OBC. So OBC also more or less the same cutoff. There is, because very limited seats, only 8 seats were available. So you cannot consider OBC as a separate category here. So general and OBC, consider them as one group. So All India rank, the cutoff was 12,618 and the equivalent mark 582. SC category, the cutoff was All India rank 73,803 and in terms of NEET marks 463. ST category, All India rank 87,649 and equivalent mark 445. General category, persons with disabilities, 5,55,972 and equivalent mark 171. SC category, persons with disabilities, the All India rank was 8,42,000. I do not have the equivalent NEET marks, but probably it should be around 100, 110 marks, should be around that number. Now let's move on to the individual colleges. What is the cutoff for individual colleges of Tamil Nadu under 15% All India quota? And I'm going to look at the general category or unreserved category. So let's start with the first college, which is Madras Medical College, which is the most popular college in Tamil Nadu as far as government colleges are concerned. So the All India rank was 1,614 and equivalent marks 640. So this is the final cutoff in round 2. Stanley Medical College, All India rank 4,572, NEET marks 617. Coimbatore Medical College, All India rank 6,315 and mark wise 607. Keelpark Medical College in Chennai, All India rank 7,038 and equivalent marks 603. Madurai Medical College, All India rank 7,560 and equivalent marks 601. Vellore Medical College, All India rank 7765 and equivalent marks 600. ESIC Coimbatore, All India rank 8,225 and NEET marks 598. So this is purely the All India quota. I'm not considering the ESIC quota. So there is another ESIC quota under which again counseling happens by MCC, but I'm only talking about the All India quota category here. Salem Medical College, that is Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College, All India rank 8,594, equivalent marks 596. Tirunelveli Medical College, All India rank 8,776, NEET marks 596. Kanyakumari Medical College, All India rank 9,217 and NEET marks 594. If you look at MCC counseling, normally they call these as Asari Pallam Medical College. So don't get confused. Where is Kanyakumari Medical College? Sometimes it will say Asari Pallam. And ESIC KK Nagar, which is located in Chennai, the All India rank 9,321 and the equivalent marks 594. Tanjavur Medical College, All India rank 9,596, NEET marks 593. Chengalpattu Medical College, All India rank 9,760, equivalent marks 592. Teni Medical College, 9,788 rank, equivalent mark once again 592. Omandurar Medical College, that is the government medical college located at Omandurar Estate in Chennai, the All India rank is 9,892 and NEET marks 591. Tiruchi Medical College, that is the KAP Vishwanathan Medical College in Tiruchi, the All India rank is 10,103 and NEET marks 591. Thoothukudi Medical College, All India rank 10,594 and NEET marks 589. Dharmapuri Medical College, All India rank 10,729 and NEET marks 588. Viluppuram Medical College, All India rank 11,236, NEET marks 586. Thiruvarur Medical College, All India rank 11,616 and equivalent marks 585. Tiruvannamalai Medical College, All India rank 11,635, NEET marks 585. Sivagangai Medical College, 11,738 is the rank, 585 marks is the cutoff. Pudukkottai Medical College, 11,749, NEET marks once again 585. Karur Medical College, All India rank 11,965 and the NEET marks 584. Karur Medical College was not part of round 1 counseling in 2019. It was added only in round 2 in 2019. It was a new medical college and the cutoff was 584. And then IRT Perundurai Medical College, the cutoff was 12,389 and NEET marks 583. IRT, the cutoff was quite low because it was not really a government medical college. Last year, the fee structure was slightly higher. So naturally, it is coming at the bottom. Similarly, Rajamutaya Medical College also, fee structure was quite high compared to all the medical colleges. That is compared to all the government medical colleges. So it is also at the bottom. So All India rank 12,618 and mark wise 582. So this is the final cutoff, 12,618 All India rank and 582 marks. This is the cutoff for general category. Now let's look at OBC category, individual colleges. As I said, not many colleges offer OBC category. Only 2 colleges offer OBC category. That's only 8 seats. And they are ESIC Coimbatore, the All India rank 8603 and cutoff mark 596. And then ESIC KK Nagar at Chennai, the All India rank 10,578 and NEET marks 589. So not a big difference between general category and OBC as far as All India quota is concerned. So these are the cutoff marks I wanted to share with you. I've not given the details about SC category or ST category. In case if anybody wants a specific college cutoff mark for SC or ST category, just leave a comment. I will get back to you with the relevant details. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.